Welcome back. In this video, we will cover how to start using the OneCart API if you wanted to pass over some of your data to other apps, like maybe Google Sheets. So let's navigate over to under My Account API Keys over here, and you can create a brand new API key by clicking this button, keying in a name, clicking on Create API Key, and then you'll see your new API key created. So what you'll need to do in order to start playing around with our API is you'll actually need the API key over here. So you can copy paste it, for example. So in this video, I'm going to use Postman to show you how you can start querying our API. And if you're not already on Postman, we have a dedicated YouTube video called Using OneCart API with Postman, which is about 8-9 minutes long, but which will take you through the process of creating your Postman account, importing the OneCart functions, and then from there you'll be able to use Postman. It's entirely free. So I want to show you two different operations that you can do in Postman querying the OneCart API. The first thing I want to show you is how to query a particular SKU. So the first thing you want to do is over here, you want to paste. So click this button over here, and under the authorization token, this will be your OneCart API key. So what you'd want to do is you want to come here, copy this guy, copy, and then right here, you're going to want to paste your API key, which I've already done. From there, we're free to start. So you're going to come here after you've set up your Postman and imported the OneCart functions using this video. You'll see this menu over here. You'll select Query Single SKU. And from here, you'll now have, if you hover here, you'll have the option to key in the particular SKU you're interested in. This SKU has to already be set up in OneCart. So I'm looking at this guy, the blue keychain. And so what you can do is you can copy over here the SKU in OneCart, and then you can come here and paste it over here. Once you've done that, click on send, and you'll see every piece of data pertaining to this SKU that's already programmed in OneCart, but on this interface over here. So for example, so all of this, I'll go through each one. So the ID, this is the OneCart ID, and if we go back here, you'll notice that the ID, this 142733350, this is actually this ID over here in the URL right here, you'll notice. The SKU, this is the SKU itself as programmed in OneCart. The price, 13,000, would be the price associated. So let me go over to the edit page for the SKU, is this number over here. Quantity 396 would be total quantity field over here. Created at, so this would be the moment in time that the SKU was created in OneCart. The option field for option name and value, color in blue. And if you had all of the other fields here filled out, they would appear over here. So this is for querying a single SKU in OneCart, and you can also query multiple SKUs. You can create single variant. You can create variants in bulk, you can update quantities. So these are all of the API endpoints that you would need. If, for example, you wanted to create a custom script in Google Sheets via the app scripts, you could certainly use AI like ChatGPT or maybe Claude, and you would feed Claude, for example, all of these OneCart API endpoints, and then you would say, okay, I want you to write me a script to extract the orders from OneCart, and then lay them out in this Google Sheet nicely, one order per row, for example. Let's go over to our orders endpoints. So over here under the search by order number, what you're going to want to do is you're going to find your order page in OneCart. You're going to find the order number. So this would be the actual marketplace order ID. In this case, it's a Lazada order. So you're going to copy paste this order number, and then you're going to come here, and over here I've already pasted it, but if you hover, you'll have a blank field here where you can paste the marketplace order number. You'll click on send, and you should see everything about that order via our API. So you'll see the OneCart order ID. So this number ending in 859 is this in the URL over here. The order number, of course, this is the one from Lazada. The order date, so that's the order that the date came in at on your platform. Different from created at. Created at would be the time that it was created in OneCart. So hopefully they're very close in time. They should be essentially identical. And then you've got net amount, you've got gross amount, you've got tracking number, you've got all of the information you need if you wanted to extract this order from the OneCart API. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. We have a bunch of other endpoints. I invite you to have a look. And we already have many sellers using our API for various functions. Some sellers are doing simple app scripts in Google Sheet using ChatGPT or Claude. Some other sellers are using our API to connect to their backend systems like NetSuite, Business Central, SAP, even QuickBooks and Xero.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.